What's up guys, it's Mikahson. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, I would love for you to consider hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every single time I load new content. To my return viewers, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for coming back. So today I'm gonna be unboxing, as you guys can see from the title, some Saint Laurent Espadrilles, but there is a special gift I'm unboxing with you guys as well. So without further ado, let's hop straight into it. So Saint Laurent has this new endeavor. It's called Saint Laurent Rive Droit. I guess it's almost like when they had Rive Gauche, but this is Rive Droit. It's a new curated and creative retail space. I believe there's only 2 Rive Droit locations, one in Paris and one in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. And I think the culmination of this new endeavor for them and the new stores, they are also, or they did already open a Saint Laurent cafe in Paris, which I wish I knew when I was there because I definitely would have tried it out. Since they opened this cafe, they released, obviously, limited edition, special edition items, coffee mugs, a whole plethora of things, and I was able to get my hands on one. I am so super excited. So the item comes in this black Saint Laurent box here with the black ribbon. And if you guys know me, I collect tumblers and mugs and things. Oh my. So it comes in the black box here, and when you take the top off, the item is wrapped in just some black tissue paper, and I revealed to you guys the Saint Laurent Rive Droit black ceramic, they call it a coffee mug, but it's a coffee tumbler. And it has this black rubber top, which I love. If you guys have been following me, I haven't really displayed them much, but I do collect Starbucks tumblers, and I've never had a tumbler that had the rubber top like this. I think it's really, really cool because it doesn't make the tumbler, which is already heavy, any heavier. So I think that's really, really cool. And it just says caution, contents hot on the top, and you can just pull the rubber tab off, and it's just a black ceramic tumbler. Now, looking at it, you guys know I'm anal. Looking at it, the Saint Laurent is crooked. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's kind of slanted down on an angle, whatever. I'm way too anal for things sometimes, but yes. So this is the special item that I wanted to unbox with you guys and show you. It's a little pricey. I think it came in at $79 or $80, which again is very pricey, but remember, it's limited edition, it's limited release, all that stuff. So that's what I paid for. And I happened to just be on the website one day looking for a card case, and this was available, and I was like, oh. And I hear from talking to people that it pops up periodically as being available on the website. I don't know, shoot your shot, but don't buy it on eBay or Mercari or any of these other Grail, these other websites. They're starting at $200 and $300. I saw one for $1,000, and I was just like, really? This is what we're doing for a tumbler? And I know somebody's probably saying to me, really? You paid $80 for a tumbler? But whatever, it's a moot point. I love this, and I just wanted to share it with you guys. Alright guys, now to the main attraction. I'm going to be unboxing with you guys my brand new Saint Laurent Espadrilles. You guys have known that the Espadrilles have been on my list for at least 2 or 3 years. But I was holding out on purchasing any Espadrilles because I really wanted the burgundy or the maroon ones, which, as we all know, are never ever coming back. So, or at least, let's keep our fingers crossed. So when you open the box, it just has black tissue paper, which just fell. And there is the Saint Laurent box that has the black ribbon, and this is what it looks like when you take the ribbon off. And the top, you just have some more black tissue paper. This, I'm assuming that this is like care instructions for the leather. This here is my receipt, and I will go over the price and everything with you in a moment. And this here, I always get myself a note card when I purchase something, and it always says the same thing, which reads, just because you're worth it, XOXO. All right, so let's rip these bad boys open. When you open the tissue paper, you are greeted with 2 dust bags. They do give you 2 dust bags, 1 dust bag for each shoe. And I'm going to take those out. Are you ready for them? And I reveal to you my Saint Laurent espadrilles in the brown color. They're more like a cognac, but on the website it says brown. These are the Monogram Espadrilles with the YSL embroidered in the toe cap here. They are absolutely stunning. These are made out of a calfskin leather. The base of the shoes just have this pretty traditional espadrille rope detail, and the base of the shoe is just rubber, and it has Saint Laurent Paris right there. When you take out the tissue paper, it does say Saint Laurent Paris in the back of the shoe. These are made in Spain, and I picked up a size 43. Now, a lot of people say, oh, they're true to size. I will say that I got a 42.5 initially, got them, tried them on, they were way too tight. The 43 made a world of a difference. Just that little half a size made a world of a difference. The black pair, which is still on their website, does not come in half sizes, they're coming whole sizes. So I would just say, just go up a size basically. They only have these now in black. These are discontinued. I got them just as they were on clearance. The original price for these is $525. I got these on clearance for $259 on the Saint Laurent website. I just want to say this, fellas, go out and buy espadrilles. I've seen so many blog posts, YouTube videos, so many things saying, oh, guys can't buy espadrilles. Oh, they make you look feminine. No, these are a classic spring, summer, fall, if you will, whatever floats your boat. These are so comfortable. They're slide-ons. I mean, you can't go wrong. So I would love for you guys to go out there and purchase espadrilles. In general, you don't have to buy the Saint Laurent ones, just buy espadrilles so that the market out there knows men like, want, and need espadrilles. Hello, like I need more colors, I'm sorry, I do. And I have to say that I love these espadrilles so much because a lot of the ones that I see on the market have like this same rope detail here. They have them predominantly on the base with just a small area of sole, if you will. And I'm like, no, they get ruined, they get destroyed, they get beaten down. That's not to say these won't get beaten down, but I just think that shoes from a functional point are all about the sole. Aesthetically, yes, it's about this part, but the functioning part of a shoe is all about this. So I'm not gonna buy, which is why I haven't really, invested in espadrilles, an espadrille that has really no sole. So these are constructed really, really sturdy, guys. And I'm really excited to wear them this spring and summer and see what type of wear they're gonna have and if they're gonna be lasting. And if so, I'm going to pray that Saint Laurent comes out with more colors, because the burgundy color that I keep obsessing about and like wearing you guys out about is beautiful. The black pair is really, really nice, but I figured I'd snag these because they were on clearance. I'm not investing the full $525. I will see how they wear, and then if they wear well, I'll come back and get the black pair. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you have any questions about these espadrilles, definitely leave them in the comment section below. And I promise I will come back to you after the spring and summer and let you know a wear and tear update on these. Thank you guys so much. I will see you in my next video. Bye.